Hello everyone. Hey beauty connoisseurs. Welcome to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, welcome back. If you're not already a subscriber, I would love for you to go ahead and do so by hitting the red subscription button down below and also clicking on the notification bell so that you will always know when we upload a new video. Now, if you're interested in this unit that I'm wearing, it is an infamous Outre unit melted hairline series Martina. And I will leave the information card for that review right here. And so today is Wonderful Wig Wednesday. Yay! And I'm excited and eager to get started because I have another unit from the Outre melted hairline series that I am so in love with. Y'all, I'm so in love with these units that I'm jumping on a bandwagon. I normally don't do that. I just let everybody else have at it, and I just continue to try to bring budget-friendly, affordable wigs. But I'm just really so in love with these hairlines. So today I have Audrina, and she looks very pretty on the stock card, the front and the back. And I have her in the color Chocolate Truffle. And that's what I'm so in love with too, is Outre is coming out with these beautiful colors. Look at this soft wave pattern. The color is just absolutely beautiful. I mean, it looks like you just really went and paid somebody a lot of money for a custom color job. And here's the hairline. It looks very nice. There's the parting space. And here it is underneath. You have your two combs they're basically on the sides. And you have your elastic band that is connected more at the temples where the combs would normally be. And then you have your comb in the back. So without further ado, I'm gonna cut this lace and put Audrina on. I am really loving this color, and this is reminding me of Valentino. Now, right off the bat, here's the hairline. And what I did was, instead of using my wig dealer lace tint, I used this Kiss cream foundation in the color Rich Mahogany, because I saw Miss Ebony B do this with her lace, and it seems to be blending pretty well. I'll probably have to go on top of it with a little bit more foundation to get it to blend even more, but it's less messy than that spray tint, I think. And so I'm going to be trying this method out for the next few wigs to see how I like it. And also, there's some wispy hairs somewhere here. I don't know. I don't think I cut them off. And this is where the ear tabs come. They are way too low, so I'm going to have to cut those off. But other than that, I like the way the hairline looks, but to me, it doesn't look as good as the hairline on Kamaya. That was the first melted hairline unit that I tried, and I love, love, love that unit. You can't tell me nothing when I wear Kamaya. So I am going to cut these tabs off, and oh, let me let y'all see how it looks all the way around. And it's a nice length, it's not too long. I just love it already. I mean, right out of the box. So I'm gonna cut the ear tabs and try to get the wispy hairs out. And let me see if it'll look good kind of off-centered. I might end up styling it like that since I'm going to be cutting the ear tabs anyway. But yeah, I'll be right back, y'all. Okay, here it is, all brushed out, and I got a little shedding, but it's nothing over the top. No tangling. The hair is very soft. The curls are very bouncy. Lots of movement with the hair. It's not stiff, and I kind of have it off-centered. So what I did was I just tucked this under on this side right here. You can kind of see where I have it just folded under. And on this side, all I did was stick a bobby pin in, because I'm not going to adhere this wig down. And sometimes I do this, you know, when I don't want to be getting all that got-to-be glue out and all that stuff. And I just stick a bobby pin right here on the side so that, you know, you just won't be flapping when the wind blows. So let me let y'all see how it looks again since I brushed it out. This is a very, very beautiful unit. You have some face framing action going on here, but it's very subtle. I just love this color. What color is this? Chocolate truffle. Outre is just doing a good job. So that's really all I have to say about this unit. I really, really love it. And I don't have any cons other than with this headband. I really don't see the purpose of it. It's not really serving a purpose. It's not adjustable. So I am utilizing it, but the wig feels very roomy back here. So I'm gonna say it's all head friendly. So let's put our sunnies on and wrap this video up, because I got a lot more wig reviews I need to do. And I really appreciate you stopping by, and I hope you hit the red subscription button. If you haven't, go ahead and do so. And please like, comment, and share, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.